Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. For this week, we are going to kind of take a step back and kind of review some of the things that we have been working on over the past couple weeks. Because as Mrs. Callan and I have been grading some of your work and looking at some of your work, we've noticed that you've struggled a little bit with formatting of your particular cells. So we're going to take a step back and look at that information um, so that you can practice a little bit more with that. So for this week's assignment, it is focusing on a lot of review of what we've already done, particularly formatting of information. I'm not going to review everything here. One thing I'm going to do is the formatting, like I said, it seemed like it has been a struggle. So for the assignment before I review formatting of data, is here's the basic assignment. Simply, all you need to do is follow through the directions and go step by step as to what you see and what you need to do, and it will turn out like the image shows at the very end. That is what it is going to look like at the end of your particular assignment. So that's the finished product. Okay, and how you're going to get there is you will follow through those particular directions. We have given you the information, and you can input that as you see and then manipulate it as you need it. Now, for formatting information, what you need to look at to format your particular information. It is located in two particular spots. Okay, right here's the formatting section. All right. Generally speaking, not generally, always speaking, the things that are always going to be listed as quick and easy formats on your toolbar are the currency button, which is obviously always set to United States currency, percentage, increased decimal, decreased decimal, and then more formats. Okay. If you click on 1, 2, 3 drop down, you see all the particular sorts of data formats that you have available to you. All right. And they always on the right hand side have examples of what they are. So currency shows you a picture of what it turns into. All right. Financial and accounting, those have pictures. All right. Generic numbers. All right. Scientific notation, date, time, those are all pictures of what it would turn into. Down at the very bottom are kind of the ones that you have used most recently, and so you can quickly go back to that. However, there are also many more formats that you can choose from. At the very bottom, you always see more formats, and then there's more currency formats, which includes every currency around the world. So if you want to change it to the euro for Europe or for the British pound for the United Kingdom, you can go into more currencies and change it that way. Or something similar you will do is more date and time. You can go into more date and time. You'll get this particular window, and you can adjust the date and time so it is displayed any manner that you would like. In this particular assignment, we ask you to have your date and time be displayed as the month, day, year, just like this one I've just clicked on. So you would go here, click on that particular option and apply, and that particular cell, once I type in the date, would be formatted in that particular way. All right, so this is very simplistic thing once you get the hang of it. However, you just have to remember that, notice my active cell is only A3. So that format that I put on there is only going to be displayed in A3. So notice if I put in, what is today's date? Today is 4/20. So if I put in 4/20, we get displayed as what I just change the format to. If I go over to the very next cell, B3, and I type in 4/20, it's going to stay 4/20 because I did not display, or I did not change the format to be displayed as 4/20. As April 20th, 2020. So that is formatting in its basic form. So please remember to make sure that you are changing the formats of your particular cells, so that way that you can get things properly displayed for this particular assignment. Please take note that I know I will be hosting basically office hours on Wednesday mornings from 8 to 9. I know Mrs. Callahan is offering office hours from Monday morning from 8 to 9. So please take a look at Google Classroom and you will see a invite for Google Meets. So if you are interested in that and need help, and you can jump on those, and we will be there every Wednesday and Monday from 8 to 9 for those particular classes, so you can get help from us. Hopefully everybody's doing well, and we will see you very shortly.